Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Today's makeup look is cool tone makeup on dark skin with two lip combo choices. Let's get into it. I'm starting with a primer and next I'm going in with this foundation from Huda Beauty. This is a full coverage foundation and I highly recommend if you're going for a full glam. Next is time to snatch that face. I'm using my Fenty Beauty contour stick. This is very easy to blend. I've been using this for a couple of years now and it works wonders. Of course, you want to snatch that nose as well. This is a new concealer that I started using, I think sometime last month. I love this concealer, guys. You want to make sure to place this in all the areas where you would want to highlight. And next is time to blend. Starting with my chin, mustache, bridge of my nose, forehead. Guys, do not expand that because you don't want your forehead to be bigger than it is. And there is something so satisfying when it comes to blending on the eye concealer. I don't know if I'm the only one, but I love blending on the eye concealer. Take your time. If you want a flawless base, then you want to make sure that you're taking your time to blend properly because the base matters. After blending in your concealer, it's time to set that under eye because we don't want any creasing, guys. So we're starting with under eye, and the next forehead, chin, and the bridge of the nose and every other place where we placed our concealer. And next we're going to set our contour with the powder bronzer, forehead, cheekbones, and you don't want to forget your nose. Please just see it this way: everywhere you place liquid product, you have to set it with the powder product. Next, I'm going in with powder all over my face to just make sure that everything is seamless, and we are almost done. Next is eyebrows. For my eyebrows, I always keep it very simple. I brush them up, use a brow pomade to trace my brows underneath, on top, fill them in, and lastly I use a brow gel to just brush everything up, and that's about it. Very simple. You want to make sure to bring a little bit of color. As you can tell, I did not use liquid blush, but I'm using a powder blush just a little bit. And for lip combo today, we have two choices. The first one, lip liner and this lipstick from Huda, and that's about it. This is gorgeous, beautiful, and I will be linking the eyeshadow tutorial in the description box of this video, so make sure to check that out. And for the second lip combo, I decided to play around with this liquid lipstick from Anastasia Beverly Hills. That clearly wasn't my shade at the beginning, but as you can see, I decided to add a brown lip liner to it to make that work perfectly on my skin tone, and I decided to add a clear lip gloss on top, and this is the finished look. Gorgeous. Please let me know which lip combo you prefer, the first or the second, and also don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Bye.